Yeah, 'cause there's the only We're so back. Oh. I'm in a Discord call. We're just chilling, but working on game stuff. Yeah, let's see. How do you even give it collision? So I made a CSG mesh 3D, right? That's what it is. Oh wait, it's not. Oh. Yeah, it makes sense. There we go. Yep. Easy peasy. Then I can make an easy test with that. The class? It's a CSG. Oh yeah, under node, it'll be under groups. Yep. Yeah, and you'll want both ground and jumpable for it. Ground is not automatically jumpable. Bingo. Yeah, because my big thing, because the easy way to test was just I have the entered and exited method. I just had them print every time they went. Enter. Oh, you. Copy, paste you. That's it. Alright, so now can I walk on the box? Yes. Alright, cool. So then... God damn it. Escape. Move this. Alright, oh. It looked like it was having the same issue where it was printing it. It says I moved around, but oh, yeah, what? There's like part of it here that is. It was going consistently there. Let's see. Yeah, what is that? Why is that doing that? Is it because it's not? Let's see. How can I? Priority. It's not material wouldn't do anything. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I think it's walking over the seam. Yeah, there's just a certain point on here. I don't know. Weird, I thought it was like maybe just the seam between like the polygons or something. But it's not quite. Yeah, okay, so does it happen just on the ground as is? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you can get that to work, also good. But I mean, what I built is just using mesh boxes and then just creating collision shapes for them. Which, similar process, but it definitely is a bit more tedious. The other thing is the issue that it is causing isn't really that big of a deal in terms of testing. Basically, all it's going to do is every once in a while just eat your jump, which will be annoying. Oh, weird. I wonder if it's, yeah, if the problem gets worse as it's scaled up, like maybe it's only tracking the original mesh size shape. Because I mean, like it should just size up properly. I didn't even think about that. Wait, yeah, is it in the middle? I thought it was like the very center, but it's not. I don't understand. Okay, yeah, I can get one jump, but then it doesn't reset. Yeah, it's not registering to enter. Actually, yeah, every time I enter, it just immediately exits. Now that I'm looking at it, exit's always at the bottom. Maybe it's reading just the surface? Yeah, maybe it's reading just the surface, not like the inside of the box at all. Because, like, I think the on-ground detector is slightly below its feet, so maybe if we just raise the ground detector thing a bit. So that it's kind of on the feet. Yep, I think that was the issue. Yep. Yeah, it was just it reads the faces, not the Oh wait, so does that mean walking up against an edge will also no. Interesting. Cool. Yeah. Yes. Ah. Got it. Yeah. Noted. Yeah, yeah, now that you mention that, I think I did run into something like that when I was working on the wizard game with scaling some kind of hitbox like that. Okay, yeah, cool. there. Yeah, cool. Hell yeah. Good, good, good. Glad that works. Because, yeah, setting up the mesh boxes as I have right now isn't, like, that bad, but it is kind of tedious. And would be pretty annoying for a big setup. And then I guess the only other thing... It's not only other thing, but one other thing to figure out then is how to do the walls. Because let's see, the way that I did it is... They are on the visual instance 3D is on layer 2. But what did I do? Oh, it's just not in the ground or jumpable nodes. Yeah, it's just not in those group. That's actually easy as fuck. If you want the any box to be not ground, just don't tell it that it's ground. Yeah. I'm so smart. I guess because, well, I think we need to make the floor whatever box. Well, I guess we're going to have the wall running stuff, but then you could make maybe jumpable walls. But I feel like we do something kind of different. Something different for, like, actual, like, ladder, vine, wall climbing type thing. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna update the new sprites. Yeah, Godot is just nice because this is gonna like work real well for just collaboration in general too, because everything is just separate scripts and nodes and whatnot. True. Yeah, yeah, true. Just height back. Left, back, right. Lossless, record, left. Dude. How to make a hill out of a hill. Oh, what'd you use? Just a sphere? Like the cap of it? Oh. Oh, sweet. Yeah, you just... Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. You can just... Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. You just make an arc and it rotates it. Oh, it's fucking awesome. Oh, that's so good. Literally just a rotate tool as a polygon type. That's awesome. I love Godot. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I'm curious how the physics is gonna be going up a hill like that too, because the way it works is it just pushes them from the side. So I wonder if you'll move more slowly uphill. Yep. Because that's what I think will happen. The other thing that you can do is adjust the friction of hills, or just accept that hills are slower, because I think that's not unheard of. Yeah, I think that's what I mentioned that in the message. That's the only other thing that like might be. Oh no, I mentioned the player mass and gravity scale, but the ground friction is another thing that we can change. Just in general for movement too. If you think the player stops too quickly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I kept things pretty conservative to start. I figured that would be the way to go, is make it some small jumps with those little blocks that I've got for now, and then we can scale up as needed, because those numbers can always get bigger. But making them too much smaller is when it just starts getting into weird. I also left the, I added the hover for the final jump, but I left in multiple jumps in case either eventually we wanted to, I don't know, give the player like triple, quadruple jump and still have the hover as the last one. Or maybe just in general, make it, yeah. Yeah, and honestly, we could even make it so that a lot of the hats have like individual little bonuses like that. That could just be incentive to get more too. A lot of them could just be like, whatever, like particle effects and silly things too. Yeah. Yeah, it could be a good like progression thing. Maybe the boss hats are like have abilities tied to them. But as it is, like, you can only wear one hat at a time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I guess I was imagining just sort of you could swap it out at any time, but then that gives you like maybe the some weird like jump in the air, swap hat to something that makes your hover longer, and then while you're still, when that runs out, add something that gives you an extra hover, and then, well, that kind of thing. But maybe we want that. I don't know. Certain stations, basically. Yeah, the like hub area, or even like areas. Yeah, hat rack. Literally. Yeah, agreed. I think it makes more sense to have it as stations. Yeah, because that's like the other option would just be like some UI menu to swap at any time, but that would get cumbersome. True. True. Yeah, I mean, we can very well just even have just like typical cosmetics. Like, hmm yeah. Mm. Yes, yes. I like this. Because then that lets you just put behind like the hard areas or whatever, just the optional things, ones that are just more cosmetic and fun. But I also think I agree with what John was saying too. Like maybe you don't have it from the bat off the bat. Like maybe it's a new game plus thing even. Like you have your active hat ability and a cosmetic hat for what's showing on your sprite. I mean, they should never change. That's just they aren't regular or going to be regular variables. I guess max jumps might. Now that I think about it, but it should be around like he'll be moving. I think. Yeah, so if you like, yeah, you can look down where it's used to in the method, but basically when you are jumping, if you are moving upwards and holding space, you'll get that little bit of boost. It's for a variable jump height, so if you tap jump, you go lower. If you hold it, you'll go higher. Yep. Yeah, on your final jump, uh, if you hold jump, you'll hover. It's pretty noticeable if you get up somewhere just a little bit high and then just double jump and hold jump as you hold forward off of it. You'll hover and then drop at some point. Don't know. That's something I was debating. I was thinking about it, and I think that like it's generally how like I think it would just be used. Like if you have a gap that's short enough to just get across with a single hover, why not just double just jump over? I guess not really. It's like it'll be capped by, I guess, by friction. Oh, can you just build up speed? Just bunny hopping? That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, we might. Not so sure. Oh, I can't really tell. I guess I can just hold forward. Oh yeah, I've been commenting code for a long time. Seems like it's capped. Walking off the edge and just like holding forward. I can't go any faster than my seem to hit a max speed, even without any friction, no ground. Is also, I never actually messed around with it, the potentially proper way to implement this with the actually getting and setting the linear velocity, which should be doable. I just need to use the integrate forces process, not process. I think. Oh wait, this is a method of rigid body 3D. Oh, wait. So you're telling me... Okay, no, it is a function. Yeah, integrate forces, okay. Velocity x equals 0. Do I need to tell it to? Yeah, that is straight from the tutorial. Makes sense. Equal nut. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I didn't touch any of the mouse or, well, because I didn't add it to the controller yet. Good point, though. Yeah, because I thought about that for, I mean, like adding controller implementation. Like, it'll probably just grab the mouse regardless. Well, actually, maybe it won't. I don't know. That's something we'll need to figure out. Okay, so does this do anything? State, integrating forces, cluttering processes. Direct body state. Okay, awesome. Yeah, okay. That actually seems to work completely fine. Using the integrate forces functions, I can just set the linear velocity. I just as a test just did linear velocity dot x equals 0, so it's just doing that every frame, and it works. It like overrides. I still can move a little bit in the x direction, but at the very least that would be an easy way to clamp max speed. And maybe a better way to do friction. Because that's what I was trying to do. Yep. Yeah, because what I was trying to do originally was make it, frictionless. So you were, like, properly frictionless on the ground, but your velocity was set. or was limited, or yeah, would slow down when you didn't have any input, basically tricking it into looking like there's friction by just slowing you down. So I should be able to do that now with these linear velocity changes. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whoops, I'm still setting this. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Yep. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't go in too deep because I am definitely gonna make some. If I do make these friction changes, that's gonna be pretty significant, at least for the on-ground movement. But it will still be like the force pushing and everything. Hmm. Yes. Just regular gravity, the player gravity, like, is how I changed that, because I did, yeah, it's on the player node itself, bingo. Yeah, the gravity scale and the mass are the main things there that I changed. Yeah, yeah. So you should, yeah, I tripled the gravity scale and upped its mass by 8. Or times 8 from 1. So floatier should be easy enough. And then yeah, the fast fall is specifically for the lower up, faster down. Yep. Yeah, it only kicks in when you're moving downwards and not hovering. If you're like if you're still in like the hovering arc moving downwards, the fast fall won't kick in until you actually either the timer runs out for it or you let go of space. You can end the hover early by letting go of jump. I think the current timer for it's like 1.5 seconds, but that'd be adjustable too. Another change I want to make, I just want to add like a particle emitter so we can more easily see when like jumps are inputted and like when we're hovering. Yep, just some placeholder. Oh, this should work now. Yeah. Oh, he looks so good. I've got him going full 360 now. Yeah. He's going 360. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that looks great. Hey, welcome in, Coco. Hello, hello. Why do you stream at this hour? It's 4 a.m. Yeah, it'd be like that. I mean, it's late at night for US, but I mean, it's even earlier in the rest of the US. It would be, what, 6 p.m. for the West Coast in the US? My older stream time, which, as by the title, this is, as mentioned, a late stream, my normal earlier time is actually like normally middle of the day for me. I would normally stream around 11 a.m., noon-ish, which ended up being evening for a lot of you guys over in Europe. But now that I don't really have the time to stream during the day, I'm always streaming at night. So everyone that's like regularly viewing is asleep at the time, which is unfortunate, so I'm mixing it up. Oh, we'll see ya. That's funny. I'm gonna Discord call with some friends. Yeah, we're all on crazy schedules. He's going to work right now. It's almost 11 p.m. He's got a night shift. But that's part of the joy of streaming for me, at least, is I can just do it whenever I want to. It would be nice to have a regular schedule, but I'm just not really able to right now. Someday. I mean, I did for a bit. This is looking good. This is some art from Pairs of Two Socks that we've got here. I'm working with him in Flexicon. Oh. Yeah, okay, cool. This is not the wizard game I was developing. That is a separate one. This is gonna be a 3D platformer. I know we've got 2D art here, but this is gonna be full on 3D, and we got like a little hover move going on here. This is a really early iteration of it, but we've got some basics here. I just got the sprite working in all 8 directions. Pairs of Two Socks finished this art today, so we have all of that, the diagonals now too. So next step for him is making like the walk cycles and run cycles and jump and stuff, but there's a lot of work we all got to do. I've been working mostly on the movement, a lot of the stuff here on the back end, making this work. Oh, why is it still spitting out numbers? Is it just catching up? I think it's just catching up. No, it's something's still running somewhere, and there we go. So right now, I've sent it over, and Flexicon was working on tweaking numbers, but now he's got to go to work because he's doing a lot of the level design. I've done some stuff that I threw around here for testing, but he's really going to be the one doing a lot of the world building testing while I get this stuff working. And right now, what we're changing is how the physics itself works for the player. Because what we had before... Whoa, cheese, moon, sponge, no doubt about it. Wait, what just happened? I just got an achievement. I got an achievement in Duck Simulator for what? Aww. Cheese, moon, sponge. I need to know what that achievement just was. Cheese, moon, sponge. Duck Simulator. What did that even mean? What did I do? Achievement. What does it do? Yellow duck with the black, green. Yellow duck grow immediately. Oh, there's a yellow duck with green beak and eyes in the top row immediately left of the large one. If it gets enough water and gets enough, it'll grow. Wait, which one? Let's see. Oh, it's part of one of the new DLCs. So wait, what does it say? Yellow duck, green beak, eyes in the top row. Immediately to the left of the one large duck? Yellow duck with... No, not that one. Maybe... Oh, it must be this one. It'll suck up stuff when we get enough stuff. Oh, okay. Neat. It's an achievement just for getting the duck. Little ducklings. They added some new little ducklings. So those have just been building up over time. The wizard game I was going on is going pretty well. I need to get back to level design for it. That's really the stage I was at. Because here, let me pull her up. The other thing I was working on was a shader for it, because I wanted to figure out how to make shaders work so I could do color swapping. So I wanted to make the teleport move that he's got. Oh boy, let's see. I have no idea where I'm gonna start. Where are you gonna put me, game? Ah, okay, so I don't have the dash quite yet. Oh right, this was Add the test. Oh yeah, there we go. But even still, I have this teleport dash ability. It's on a cooldown. But what I want it to do is change the color. But yeah, it's 4 a.m. and you gotta go. We'll have a good stream. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for stopping in. Get some rest. Good luck with your day. We'll see you around. Let's see, I didn't actually get the shaders for this working. I want to mess around with that a bit more. Oh, right. Yeah, because it's code. Like, most of the frames were just fine, but for some reason this one was not having it. So, wait, how did I actually... Dash charge. Okay, so what is that actually part of this? There we go. So, okay, so this is the shader. Oh. So, I mean, it seems to have worked for most of these. Let's make this a bit more drastic of a change so I can actually... Oh. Oh, wait. No, that's right. There were two colors. It was being weird. So it's just this one frame in the teleport that has some issues with the color matching on those pixels in particular. But that this is when it's being used. So maybe this one actually just uses the parent material. Oh. I see. Oh, where did I put it? Shader material. Shader, oh. Where did I put that? Let's put it in scripts. Okay, yeah, that works. I mean, I can probably... Actually, yeah, probably this is the variable I want to change. Because then all that I need to do is tell it to stop to use the parent material. Okay, yeah, no, easy fix. So the shader isn't perfect, but it'll work. Wait, check this. Okay, wait, this is awesome. This is so stupid. This is awesome. The one part that it was broken is the, like, only place that it's allowed to be broken. Because what I want is for the cooldown of this ability. But it's broken on the first frame of this ability. But I don't care, because it's not gonna... if you're using it, that obviously means you still has it. So it's not gonna run out till it's over. Get fricked. Okay, so play teleport animation. Boom, right here. I guess we will see. Okay, use. False. All right, so let's see. I think yeah. Right, I forgot teleport right and teleport left are kind of handled differently here. Wait a second. Why? Wait a second, what? What's this? I mean, it's bright, that. I see. It should just be that by default. Okay. So that was me trying to do that earlier. Jesus. All right. I should in here. Go shader for charge. Close enough. And then it could just be its own method, right? When no, this is a script. Okay, so then teleport. It's a timer, right? Yeah, teleport cooldown. Where else is this used? So that's using the teleports. Oh. I think this should be the timeout. But I think this is just fine. Use shade. Teleport recharged. So I probably just have the highest level set. Nope, that's correct. I mean, shouldn't be giving it back otherwise. Okay, so I only do it when you teleport. Oh wait, it should be set, yeah, to true when it recharges and false when it runs out. Yeah, false when you use it. Oh. Because it's gonna be animated sprite dot use parent material. Handle teleports. There we go. Animated sprite. There we go. That should do it. Oh wait, it's gonna be off by default. It should be on by default. Yeah. Yes. All right, so it should use parent material by default. And okay. Yeah, maybe I'll make another particle emitter on them. This is so poorly organized, but I don't care. 2 particles. You are teleport charge. What's one extra character gonna freaking hurt? Where is it? I alt click? Alt right click? Yeah. Yeah, something around there. About 100. They'll live for as long as they do. No gravity. No direction. All directions. Initial velocity. Hello, hello. Make it explosive. Then we just make it a big explosion. Damping. Where's... oh, there we go. Explosiveness. Boom. Doctor. Doctor. What? Homestead. Yes. The color. Alright, we're getting the color of this. Copy you to steal it. Yeah. There we go. Something's not right with my layout here. That's much more like it. These ducks. Let's get a better view here. It don't matter, no. Alright. Set the colors. Oh wait, so what was the initial color? Just pure white, but kind of transparent. I'm basically just gonna do the same thing here. And that's just fully transparent. Yeah, hell yeah. Maybe it's just a little faster. And let's put it behind. I'd like to go a little bit further. Okay. It's a one shot. And then we make it emitting. Now, do this, add it to our input, teleport recharge particles, good enough. There we go. Teleport recharge particles, dot emitting equals true. Emit particles. Gate. Charge. Boom. Boop, boop. Alright, got some. Oh. Yeah. Alright, okay, I am gonna make this a... separate function. Holy... Bear with the word is for this. I had a term for this. Whatever. We're looking for teleport cooldown. No, the timeout. Player here. So this should simply be launch tab. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. All right. And actually, I can put that on the if statement here. So this should only happen at start. In fact, I also actually now specifically do not want it to auto start. This is also going... Oh. I need to start it at the beginning because you can't teleport. But I don't want to just throw this. Oh wait, I can just throw this in ready. I can just... Where is it? Has teleport. No, because it needs to check the level. That's why I had it as a thing that was constantly being checked. Okay, I'm gonna copy all this, undo everything I had there. There we go. Okay. Now all that's back. Now this is back. Cool. That'll do. That'll do. How different is it? So close. All right, hell yeah. Need to make sure that the shader doesn't go on until after the teleport. That actually should be easy as rather than gonna be a weird one, but I think actually I can do this. Basically, if animated sprite dot frame dot animation what's it called? It's called teleport, and animated sprite dot frame equals 1. Then show the shader. Yes. Real clunky way to do it, but it'll do it. This game's a little messy, but it'll work. I don't even remember what I just fixed. What was the problem? Oh right, the teleport itself was changing. I didn't even notice because it just worked as I wanted to. Yep. Yellow as we go. And then it runs out. I guess, how do I even access that? That would be animated. Dot canvas item dot material, like turns the canvas a layer. Do they have materials? Is that what this? No. Shader. Material, yeah. Hmm. How to do. Okay, I'm on the right track. Yeah. Get. Shader. Parameter. Should it be $sign? I don't think it should. Alright, so let's throw some other random color in here. Hmm. I don't. Okay, is it gonna throw an error for like that method not even existing? Maybe? Might need to be vice versa. Okay. And if it's hit zeros. That's just gonna always be happening. Oh. Right, get the shader material. Yeah, I think same. Okay, okay. So then... Alright, so what's the set shader parameter documentation? String name, value. I mean... Oh, yeah, so it did. I thought it made just like a red, but no, it actually, like, set it. Okay, okay. So we can get specific with it. I don't think I want to. But interesting to know, I could change it if I wanted to. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Well, we got that working for Wizard Game, and we got other stuff working. I think we're gonna get into some UFO 50. Weird. Don't know why my headphones just restarted. Cool, cool, cool. Oh. Man, this is all working just fine. We have Lex gonna mess around with some numbers. But we got us walking around all in directions. Now let me get a little GIF capture here. I've got this nice tool, Screen to GIF. It's fantastic. Here we go. Alright. Nice. And then you can even just export it as... How do I actually export it? Yeah, we're gonna save it as. I just make it an MP4. Easy peasy. Oh, oh god, what have I done there? Lad, plug. Right. And I can just throw this into the Discord, and that should work and be all spinny. Read. Alright, so we'll be back with some UFO 50 in just a minute. BRB. Alright. We're so back. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Where were we? I didn't even check Pilot Quest last time I played. What am I doing? I think there was... Alright, I think I was just waiting on the sauce. Oh wait, did I not upgrade my silos? Oh my god, I never upgraded my silos. But I also just need the ship fuel. But I probably need bigger silos to hold the stuff. I had to guess. Mineral, stamina it up. What does this need? Oh, okay, yeah, I'll just use the ingots to upgrade them. Oh, it upgrades both of them. Alright, yeah, even better. Okay. I mean, might as well. Curious what max is. Oh, 25. There we go. Correct. Alright, so easy enough. We're just waiting on this then. Make more science, make more ingots. I'm gonna take one of you off and put you on science. We need a lot of both. Actually, we're pretty close to even now with both of them, so I'm just gonna split them right in half. Let's make sure that there are 3 working on this. Okay, yeah. Hooray! Brainworms. Alright. Could keep going with Porgy. That is kind of the main thing I was working through. I think that's what I'm doing. There we go. I mean, I've got plenty of other games. I do like me some Party House. Except I think this next one, we had to get 4 stars and I didn't realize it till the very end. It messed me up so bad. Let's see where we were in Porky. We were doing pretty well. It'd be nice to just get this done, because then I don't have to worry about it. So what didn't we just unlock something recently? Get the spotlight. I think we were just going down and fighting stuff. Oh, hello. Uh-oh. We're going. Recently started playing Darkest Dungeon. Which one is... Darkest Dungeon is... Oh, I can pick that back up. Oh, I can pick that back up. That's one where you are, yes, managing a team of, yeah, adventurers. Yeah, Darkest Dungeon's a lot of fun. I've wanted to go back to it. I forgot, I need to change the game info on Twitch and on YouTube. Welcome in, though. Welcome in, because we're not doing good, though, anymore. We're playing UFO 50. A boom, boom, boom. UFO 50. Boom. Easy. Welcome in, welcome in. Hello. Oh. Extra fuel. Wow. Uh-oh. Easy. We're getting down to the lower areas so we can take out bosses. Oh god, okay, easy. Money. We just go down here. find the boss. Oh, man. There should be... Seem to normally be just around here. Oh, God. Not you. Oh, wait. Out of here. Oh, okay. Water just got way colder. Oh, you know what? I think that was another thing I did. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Oh, what the... I must not have made it back the last time I fought this thing. Or actually, wait, maybe it wasn't Dracula I was fighting. I think it was the Nautilus that I was fighting. There's another boss in this area I still have yet to kill. Or I just really even do all that much damage to, but... This damage... The shields are huge for the boss fights. I didn't even think about that. Like, it's still gonna eat my time. Oh, no. Uh-oh, okay. Okay, I got him back. Good. Because then, basically, I'm not really... It doesn't even... My time is limited by how much fuel I've got. But every time I get hit, I also lose fuel, but not with these shields. Oh, God. Oh. I do want to get those back pretty badly. This should be simple. It's literally going in circles. I'm just playing this poorly. I'm not going to kill it this time around. So I don't want to get too low on fuel. So it will also chase me a little bit. Once we're... Yeah, no, we should go back about now. Like, once we get to around half... well, we're at our halfway point. So we need that much to get back. Just about. It'll be a little bit less because we blasted our way through the dirt here and we can just go back. But better safe, better safe. Safe as. Safe than. Plus we did get some bonus fuel on the way in, so that was a solid run. That was a solid life there. Got good damage on the boss. We're just gonna have to do the same thing again. Oh boy. Easy. We go up, yeah, up here. I can go in there. Oh ho ho. This way. Perfect. Okay, yeah, we got no... Oh boy. Yeah, it's fine. I don't need it. We'll get more when we get back. We're chilling. I could have stayed there for a good bit longer. This is fine. Yeah, I think I'll just keep this loadout and we'll head back down there. Do the same thing. It's hopefully the idea. Oh. Come on, just a little extra fuel. I got 2 last time. There we go. I will gladly take it. Oh, okay. Yeah, we have to go down a bit. Going to here, up and over. I will figure out how to get that eventually. Because it doesn't seem like I can get in there with any of the explosives I have right now. But maybe there's just a hidden block somewhere that kind of goes into a maze situation, maybe. That's my only guess. Oh man. Alright, well at least it didn't go into the spikes. The shield, just like that. Oh, but it's floating up. Did I get it back? I think I got it back. Gotta hit it with the missiles. The bubbles don't do anything to them. Nice. Alright. Let's find that boss. Sweet. Alright, so we only had to use 2 dashes there. That's ideal. I wonder if we can do it in just one if we get it right. Easy. Alright. No boss yet. Either boss, please. There's gotta be something secret going on up here or something. What? Maybe I got it already. I wouldn't be surprised if there was like a fish egg there or something. I can break through that stuff, I think. Just not with my current loadout, maybe? Are you just stuck there, or is this something? Either way, glad I got rid of you. Hello, torpedoes. I mean, no thanks. Wait, how did... How... Aha! More torpedoes. Well, stronger torpedoes. Oh. More secret? Oh god. Wait, what's this? I don't know what that just triggered. What? I don't think I can get down there. At least not easily. How do I get down there? I saw we're activated down here to the left, but I don't see an easy way there. Let's see. Out. Or not out? I'm a little worried I won't be able to make it back up at this rate. But actually it doesn't matter. We didn't do any damage to the boss, so I don't care. This can be fully exploratory. Ow. Rather, not ow. Secret? Oh god. Oh god. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, I know where I am right now. I've been over here. I don't know if this is any good to me. I just go up and out here, but I mean, I'm not gonna make it back. Oh, okay, no, it is to the left. And here we are. There's no chance we make it back. Oh my god, wait, I do care. I forgot. We got the torpedo. Oh no. Oh. My torpedo upgrade. Not really too big a deal anyway, still. No boss damage done. I know how to get to the torpedo now. Easy enough to just get there and back. Especially if we keep getting fuel like this. Do I care enough to... Oh, yeah. It's worth giving it a go. Because if they do drop fuel... Well... Not worth that much time. Get down here. 1, 2. Get rid of this. Dup, 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 dup. Oh no, we're fine. Okay, I had gotten that shield back. Okay, you go there. Go sideways. I love that they've got the smiley face and the rocks over on the right. Good little detail. Alright, so what's it take? Roughly 2.5 fuel to get down. I'm going to say 3 fuel because we actually picked up some. To get down there. So, we need it at least like 4 to get out. 5 if we're not playing hot. I'm going here. So, yeah, not up this way. Down here. Alrighty. There's the boss, too. I don't really want to escape. Hopefully... Oh. It's like, yeah, I'm just gonna say, hopefully it either chases us or... it'll just stay where it is. But I have a feeling it might just despawn when it goes away like that. Oh well. That's fine, we did a little bit of damage. We could have done more. Oh, okay, actually, that's good. So hopefully it's just up here. Maybe it goes down further. Which is fine. Nope. I'm out of here. Oh. Let's see. I'll have enough. I was like, we should have enough fuel to just get out of here. So hopefully now we can just be much more careful on the future trips. More than enough fuel to get back. Easy peasy. Out of here. Uh-huh. Fine. We're totally fine. More than fine. It was like 3 fuel to the bottom of the other screen, not this screen. This one takes like a fuel. Ooh, clean. Maybe a couple, depending. Nice. Torpedo range increased. Oh, that's like actually pretty significant. Alright. I think I'm gonna end stream there. A little bit of gaming here. We're gonna keep playing this, but it's gonna be it for stream. We got some good stuff done though. Good game development and some good gaming. Catch you next time. Peace.